Top of the morning to you. This is KaiNexus product expert Matt Banna and KaiNexus customer enablement manager Ryan Rippey on a mission to find the gold at the end of the rainbow. And by gold, we mean these 10 brand new KaiNexus improvements.
Thanks, Matt. I'm feeling pretty lucky with this new release. In fact, I found a 3-leaf clover on my way into the office this morning.
You know all of them have 3 leaves, right?
Well, did you know it's also called a shamrock?
Yeah, I get those shakes at McDonald's. Now, let's take a look at these new improvements. First, we have a tooltip for filter rules. Now, you can hover over any card title, and you'll now see a preview of what that filter is. This should make it easier to see why a card is displaying what it's displaying. Next, we've unified and enhanced our color picker. So if we jump over to this admin section and head over to General, get a little more use out of here, we've designed it from the ground up. We added a much nicer default color list, unified the color pickers across the whole platform, allow you to edit the default colors, and even give an org setting to force using those colors if your organization chooses. So if you hit this must use organizational colors button, your org is going to be forced to use any of the colors that you select. Any leprechauns out there can just choose to use shades of green if they want to. Head over to the general admin section to change your organization's default colors, and then log out and log back in to see the changes. Now, next, we've added a attribute type for people and network locations. So we head back over to our home screen and go to create a new improvement. We now have 2 new drop-downs, one for people. You can use any users, active, frontline, any user types, or locations. This allows you to filter for users or locations without them being part of the project team.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt. We also made it a whole lot easier to import data into your KaiNexus charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at a chart here in the system. Employee of the Week votes. I wonder if I'm leading in this category. We can now come into our chart, edit our data, and you'll see at the top here there's this option from the drop down to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and select upload, and I can actually just drag and drop an Excel file with some data. And we've got a completed import, and our chart is now populated with all of that data, so we can go ahead and save, and we have our beautiful chart. Let's see what we're looking at here, Matt. Looks like I am leading the way in Employee of the Week votes.
I think we need a recount.
Yeah, okay. So the last feature that we have in this release is opt-in notifications for specific template types. So in order to take advantage of this, if we check out our notifications, we can now come in and add, for example, a new notification where we can choose the type, so whatever our workflow is, and let's say we choose an improvement and then want to choose a specific type of improvement that will get those notifications for. So if, for example, you can direct maintenance or IT requests to a specific individual. Some organizations have improvement processes with specific flows, and so now it's much easier to mimic your previous standard work in KaiNexus. Definitely make sure to take advantage of this new notification preference.
We kept it pretty short and sweet for you today, but make sure you check out our KaiNexus improvement blog at blog.kainexus.com to see all of our new content that we're posting. Head over to our customer blog to see information on new releases and cool KaiNexus tips and tricks. And check out our support site at support.kainexus.com to learn a little bit about things that you may be having trouble with. Next, check out our webinars. We have an upcoming webinar, a quick peek into bottom-up improvement software on March 15th at 1 p.m. Eastern. And we also have a new Banna Rippey show, or
Rippey Banna show?
I don't know about that one. A new training team webinar coming up at the end of the month as well. Lastly, listen to our continuous improvement blog on iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts for more continuous improvement tips. Now, this has been Matt Banna and Ryan Rippey with KaiNexus.
Keep improving, and we'll see you Kai next time.